KV8 Merim Betah means King's Valley, number 8, and his name Merim Betah. The meaning of Merim Betah is the beloved of Betah, and Betah was a god in Memphis in Cairo. And his two names, do you remember the two names of the king?
Wasn't it Horus and Hawthorne? Or Hoth something?
Tut, you mean?
Tut, yeah. Horus and Tut.
That
That's close.
5 names. Yeah, okay, it's close, but I don't know what. Right, it takes me 5 years to remember, so it's fine.
That's insane how deep that goes.
The tomb is 135 meters long. The first part was accessible since antiquity, while the second part was cleared in 1903 by Howard Carter and his team. Howard Carter was the Englishman who discovered the tomb of Tutankhamun later. And that part of the burial chamber wasn't cleared until 1987.
Made it to Valley of the Kings. Yeah, okay. Slip. We got 3 of these tombs we're gonna check out. And we're gonna check out King Tut's mummy. Which that's what we want to see, some mummies here. Since we missed the Egyptian Museum.
Will be the best day of the whole trip.
Yeah, today will be the best day. Especially with the hot air balloon. But now look at these paintings, this thing is huge. Wow. The paintings are insane. It's all still there.
And then there's people.
Yeah, must be lucky there's only 3 people in that 300. It's low season during the summer. Tickets are all half price, so it's really like $5 a person to get in these places. An extra 300 for the King Tut, but since it's slow, it's like 2 for 1, $10.
Look at the real baby.
I was just gonna say that. Baby does rail. I just hope I don't get in trouble for having my camera out in here. I have to slip somebody a couple bucks. Oh yeah, see they did put the mirror under it to make it look bigger.
Huh?
They put the mirror under it to make it look bigger because you can see the imprint in the bottom.
Oh.
Big granite.
What is this?
The lid to the sarcophagus, they said. Big granite stone. Yeah, it's insane. Oh, okay. In the sarcophagus. This is kind of eerie feeling. Oh, shit. It's in a sarcophagus in the tomb, the Valley of the Kings. Wow. That's pretty wild. I gotta get out of here. Shit. Holy crap. How deep does that go? This is insane. Good. Good. Alright, we gotta check this out. Let's get some lights in. Special treatment. Ready? So what was this?
No. Take pictures because I
Wow. How do I get in here?
Okay.
Miss you. Secret, okay?
Yeah, secret. Secret. Let's check this out. Wow.
Miss you. What? Secret?
Secret.
Secret?
Secret, yep. So what was kept in here?
Okay, come.
Let's go in. Secret burial chambers or?
Come on.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's your name?
Tessie.
Tessie.
Mitch.
Mitch, 1 minute.
Thank you. That was amazing.
That was really cool. Alright. Wow. Yeah. Where you. 1 minute? Okay. Okay, they're doing restoration, but you can see the serpents along the wall. That was pretty amazing.
Do you think these were just all lit up?
Probably, yeah, just like most spots for lanterns, and you'd have to light it up.
Yeah.
I mean, look how much light's coming in though from the top. But yeah, they'd have to do something.
Okay.
It's like a sauna down here. Drink some water. But that guy was really cool. Gave me a few dollars and just let me go, let us go in that back tomb room and inside the sarcophagus.
Secret.
That's a secret, yeah, I kept saying secret. Wow. Quite the little hike though. You doing alright?
Yeah.
Go slow. Take your time. Alright. 2 more to go.
Here you're gonna see the mummy, right, once you get in. Nothing, as I said. Here's the sarcophagus and the scenes here. In this side, I mean, gonna be the right hand side when you stop here to see his funeral. Here the priests are pulling this shrine, which has the mummy of King Tut, right? King Tut and his alter ego. Before Osiris. Osiris was the lord of the underworld. In this wall, this scene for 12 baboons. This is the first hour of the book called Imitwat, what happens in the underworld, and 5 deities which are there. 5 deities are serving or protecting the pot, which is for the sun god Ra. This tomb was discovered in 1922 by Howard Carter, the Englishman, and it was buried under the debris of the next or the later tomb, which was dug during the dynasty 20 for Ramses V and 6.
So this coffin that's in here, that's in the museum, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's nothing there, just what inside is the mummy, right, and this sarcophagus.
So they actually took him out of the coffin and left his body. How come they left his body?
Oh,
Just to show people? Yeah. Was there a lot of mummies that had gold coffins?
gold,
Yeah.
wooden coffins, like the anthropoid coffins, right? 3 and 3 shrines, wooden shrines, but all of them are laid on gold and precious stones.
Yeah.
If you want to be in the shade, you can go down there, or you can just stand.
Wow. This is King Tut's tomb right here. His mummy. How old was he when he died? 19? 18? Wow. What caused his death, do you know?
Yes,
What caused it? What was the problem? How did he die?
it's the hot here.
Got hit in the
Yes,
head. Oh,
yes.
so he was murdered. That's insane. Inside King Tut's tomb. We'll look. Oh, thank you. Wow, this is insane. They say his coffin that was in the museum, just covered in gold. This is his sarcophagus right here. It's very small because his body was so tiny. Wow.
He was just a child.
Yeah, it's the kid, teenager. This is amazing though. Wow. Can I? Yeah. Oh no. Wow. This is royal. King Tut's tomb right here. Just let me go down here. Look at this. What did the baboons represent? You know? This is amazing. Video time.
1. Number 2, there is something strange here, which is not there in the 3 tombs you did before. What's that? In the first corridor, you're gonna see 1 side chamber each side, right? Small. Second room, second corridor. There are 4 side chambers. Really nice. Right, ignore the right one, but the left hand side, count 1, 2, 3. The first 3 chambers have scenes for offering in the afterlife, but the 4th one is really important because it is the scene of the harpist or someone playing harp.
Okay.
And it made it very famous in England in 1790. Harper, now you can go and enjoy it, right? I'm gonna be waiting for you over there.
Okay.
Right in shape.
Yeah,
All right?
nice
Enjoy.
area.
Take your
All
time.
right, will do.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you.
You got the ticket.
Yep.
Number one.
I got him. Last one. Put the King Tut ones away. Ramses the third in this one. So Ramses the fourth, Ramses the third, King Tut, and then the other one was Metenholt. I can't really pronounce that name. That was the first one we went in. Hanging in there good?
Yeah.
Pretty
Yeah, I don't ever know if you're talking because of the camera.
both. If I'm talking, just pay attention.
But sometimes I'm so hot I zone out and don't want to.
Last tomb we're going through today is Ramses the third. Got the stars in it. Coloring is pretty awesome. Doesn't fade at all. Look at that three-headed serpent. Yeah. These guys here real. Oh wow. This is fantastic. Damn. How do we go way down? Can't go way down. Yeah, that is cool. Oh yeah. Wow. This is a snake?
Yeah,
Protects. Wow. How come it's blocked off? Only sometimes? Only sometimes?